Victim of repeated domestic violence, TMZ has learned. Heard showed up with her lawyer, Samantha Spector, armed with photos showing various bruises she claims Depp inflicted various times during their marriage. We obtained this pic, showing Amber with a bruise around her eye, which she says Depp inflicted Saturday night. Heard claims the pic was taken shortly after she was allegedly struck. She claims Depp smashed his iPhone on her face. Amber claims during the alleged attack, Johnny shattered various objects in the apartment. She says she was on the phone with a friend during the fight, and when Johnny grabbed her phone she screamed to her friend, "Call the cops." The friend called 911 and cops came to the residence. Amber says when cops arrived Johnny had already fled, so they took a report. We're told cops told Amber they would find Johnny and arrest him if she gave a statement about the alleged violence, but she refused.